Hello everyone, today I'm testing a dash cam. Now you can't see it, it's pretty hidden, and one of the reasons I wanted to get it is, you know, just in case I'm not wearing my GoPro, my helmet, or the GoPro battery dies, I always have a backup camera to capture anything that may happen in front of me. It's more for incidents, make sure, you know, I could kind of see what drivers are at fault if it involves me, and definitely if I need it for my insurance. So I picked up a small dash cam that is behind my screen there, but you won't see it. So right now I'm just going to go for a test ride, and I'm going to add this footage with the dash cam footage as well. Now my screen is a little bit of a weird shape, so you're gonna see that with the dash cam the image is gonna be a little bit not distorted, but you know, it'll have that curvature look to it. Also, it's a wide lens, 140 degree view, and I don't know really how that's gonna look. I took some test footage, you know, which was okay. So right now here's the my second test footage. What happened to my other one was I had decided to put a 400 gig memory card into my GoPro, but I didn't realize that I was getting some compatibility issues. So I recorded the video, and when I got home I had the dash cam video, which looked good, but I didn't have the GoPro video. And I definitely want to have both of the videos side by side. I'll probably end up putting the dash cam video in a little corner in the YouTube so you can kind of see it. So this is kind of a quick ride where I'm not going anywhere. But just for testing. It always, can't speak. It also allows me to get out of the house. I haven't been riding that much because I've been having some pain for the last 2 years, and it seemed to get worse, and I have to have surgery for it. I mean, it's not life threatening or anything, but it causes me enough pain that I need to get it taken care of. You know, I was just gonna say off topic, since the gas prices have been going up quite a bit, we have a lot more scooters in this area now. There was a time where people didn't really like scooters, and now I think you know, they're more acceptable. One time I went to Best Buy and somebody put a nice little note on my scooter and asked me if they make these for men, which, one, I didn't understand why somebody would take so much time out of their day to find a post-it note, have a pen, and then leave me a nice note on the scooter. But I guess trolls will be trolls no matter where. Alright, so that's me now. I'm heading back. This road is horrible all the time. The manhole covers are raised, and you really got to watch out for them. A couple of times they catch me off guard, and you know, I just get thrown off my seat a little bit. So I'm hoping this footage comes out pretty decent. There's a jail if you go over this bridge. To the right. I do have the audio on for the dash cam, but it's really no point listening to it because you're just going to hear a lot of vibration. I guess red lights are gonna be it for me today. I'm going 69 on this road, which is kind of stupid of me. 65 now. Up there's that manhole. I keep saying manhole. It's manhole, right? Up another one.